Tex is basically standing a good 10 metres away from me and I can hardly hear myself think. Far out. Like a buzzard scoop on a blown motor. Woo. Massive twin pipes on it. I love that number plate. Whoa. So we've got ADHD here live in person, massive buzzer on it, blower, great number plates. You know, there's no chrome in it, but he's blacked out the grille, monochrome finish. And he tells me that this is his Burnout car. Now, man, I don't know. I look at this thing and I look like a door slammer to me, but awesome wheels, massive brake system. Another set of those Kirky style race seats. There's a cage in there, so you know what, he's done probably so much effort's gone into this. Smoothed off tray, even smoothed out the whole back end of it. Tubs, tank, big rims and tyres. You know, this is like, whether this falls on the borderline of a show car or a drag car is, yeah, it's an amazing piece of machinery here. Look at those exhaust pipes, massive. All right, we're going to jump over to the owner, so we can just get a few specs on this engine and we'll go from there. Hey mate, I'm John from Raw Talk and you're?
Reese.
Reese, nice to meet you, man. You got to say, this thing is amazing. Can you just give us a few specs or the rundown on how this come about and just what sort of power you're making with this engine?
Just a LS with glide deal, sort of. Not sure on power, we haven't tested it yet, so
okay.
Yeah, we're getting there. Just setting it up at the moment and test it soon.
So what made you decide to go all out, like a mini tunnel ram, the blower, like a buzzard scoop on it?
Just slowly progressing. Yeah, I started off with the basics and worked my way up, trying to build a blown car. So,
blown
yeah.
car. Are you actually going to fall into a drag category, or is this a Burnout machine?
I set it up as an events car, so I can do a bit of both. I've got a cage and stuff, so
yeah,
I'll get into it and use the car.
The more we walk around it, like there's so much detail in this car. It falls on that borderline of either a door slammer, or I don't know. Like to me, it's an amazing piece of machinery that you've done on it. And it almost looks like it's no expense spared.
Not really. I've tried to just build it once, build it right, but yeah, we'll just keep progressing and blows out of budget. Man, oh man, look, like I've said this to everyone here, credit to you. It's an amazing fucking machine, and I wish you all the best going forward with it, buddy. Cheers, mate.
Thank you so much, man.